here since we last talked, but now you're hitting me up, telling me that it's been too long, and you wanna meet up. You said your favorite coffee shop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before that, I'm gonna let you guys have an update first. This is the current view, the final completed revamp room that I have now. So I actually started revamping my room last year, May to June, during my study break. And I actually painted this grey wall and also another opposite wall next to it, all by myself, yes. Let me show you another hack that I did for my room. I got this from my mom's shop. My mom actually had a clothing store. She has a shoe rack thing that display the shoe, and yeah, I just got it for free. So it's kind of like a trendy one. I really like this lamp. I got it during the sales, hooga sales last year. Got it for around like 50 ringgit, and it's actually quite nice pairing with my style in my room. So yeah. And then another one is this one. The acrylic paint was actually DIY from two cardboard, and I have extra acrylic paint in my room. Wanted to DIY something that I have inside my house. And another thing, this is actually my wardrobe, and previously didn't have enough budget to make a built-in shelf inside, so they actually just bought a wooden shelf here. But now I find I don't really like it, and I actually bought this rod online. It's actually quite cheap, like 20 ringgit to 50. It's a very good quality sunblock curtains to actually cover it up. I did my own measurement and I buy the one panel long curtain that suits my wardrobe here. I actually changed this bed frame here. It was initially a pink leather bed frame that I own since I started moving in here. I really love pink color. I don't know why, during my primary school days. So I don't know, I actually had a lot of pink stuff in my room, and even the bed frame also, the chairs, all the stuff was so pink. And yeah, so as the years go by, I started liking more muted colors, plain colors, or simple color like white or this grey color. Instead of buying a new one, I decided to buy another bedsheet to cover it up from Shopee, and actually DIY'd it into a new bed frame here. So it's actually a very budget-friendly project that I had, and also a very big project. And finally, today, I have completed revamping all of my parts in my room that I feel satisfied with it now. I really enjoy staying in my space here, and I find peace staying in here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy my big process here, and I will show you some of the hacks and the process that I did for my second makeover here, and also anything else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. How do you like my new room? Comment down below and do like, subscribe and share. Thank you! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Clara here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.